Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to set up a document for work and how to set up your workspace for easier work. When we open the Illustrator, we click on a file and new. As you can see, we can choose to open from pre-existing files, setups for mobile, web, print, film and video, art and illustration. If you want to make, for example, like business card, we can click on the print, choose right here units, and we can make the size of it as we want. Here you can change the orientation from portrait to landscape and the number of the artboards. After that we can choose these bleed options for printing preferences, so we can make the bleed 3 millimeters. You'll see what is it. You can also choose the color mode for printing. It's a CMYK color mode, and these are raster effect settings, so we can use it just right here as it is. So we click on create and we opened the new file. This is step 1. Step 2 is setting the workspace, so we can adjust it to our own preferences. Most of the tools are on the left toolbar right here, and we'll be using the most of the time the ones right here. And if we want to add the new ones, we can go to Window and click on any of this. So we click on the stroke, we already got here, stroke navigator. You can click on the navigator, and it's right here already. Also properties. Okay, this is no new toolbar, and we can move the position, rearrange it, combine it with other toolbars right here. We can also set up smart guides and rulers. You can find it right here. Click on a view, and if this is not checked, just make sure to check it. We can add the rulers, click on the rulers, and it's already on. If it's not, click on it and click on the show rulers. We can just drag and drop them, and we can turn on smart guides for aligning the objects, for easier aligning. Just to make 2 objects, make it visible, and copy it. You can align it right here. So you see those lines, it's for the alignment, and that's the smart guides are for. After we set up all the toolbars we need and click on smart guides and rulers, we can save these settings in Windows and right here on a workspace. We can click on manage workspaces and save right here. We can load the old ones, the others that we have saved, just like, let's just say it was for painting. We just load it, and if we want the old one, we just load the essentials. You can also change the look of the interface and guides, smart guides and rulers and slices in option edit preferences. So click, let's just say click on smart guides. You can choose the color of the smart guides, you can choose the color of the slices for the easier work, and choose the color of the interface. Personally, I like this one the most, but you can choose darker mode and lighter, whatever you like. Just click on OK, and you're set up. In the next tutorial, I will show you the main tools for the work. I hope this was useful to you, and see you all in the next tutorial.